The Shure SM7B microphone includes two windscreens, the stock RK345 and the A7WS, which is a little bit thicker than the stock one. Most people stick with the stock windscreen, but the thicker one offers better rejection of plosives and other harsh sounds. So in this video, we're going to compare the sound of the two windscreens on the Shure SM7B. So right now, this is an audio test of the Shure SM7B with both the switches on the back set to flat and no windscreen on. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. This is a test of the stock windscreen on the Shure SM7B. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. This is a sound test of the thicker windscreen. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Now let's check how the windscreen changes the sound when you're right up on the microphone. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. The windscreen definitely changes the sound even more when you're closer to the microphone. So if you take a listen and compare all the different sound samples, you'll notice that with the thicker windscreen, the plosives are a lot less harsh. And you'll also notice that as we added the thinner windscreen and the thicker windscreen, that our sound darkened just a little bit and we lost some of the brightness out of the sound. So overall, this thicker windscreen is probably the best way to reject noise and plosives without using an external pop filter, but it does come at a cost of just being a little bit thicker on the microphone, so it doesn't have quite as good of a low profile look. So if you're doing a lot of behind the scenes work where the look of the microphone doesn't matter quite as much, then the thicker windscreen is a really great option to just cut down more on the background noise and the popping of the microphone. Also, if you're having a hard time getting your stock windscreen off, try to pinch the plastic ring around the windscreen when you pull it off, like this. So if you use the thicker windscreen on the Shure SM7B, you're going to have better rejection of plosives, background noise, and harsh sounds. I hope this video was helpful to you in showing you the way that the windscreen can affect the sound quality of the Shure SM7B. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any upcoming content. I have links to all the gear I use to make videos in the description below. And if you have any questions about the SM7B or windscreens, leave a comment below and I'd be happy to answer it.